Iowans have seen their taxes dramatically change over the last few years. We've gone from income tax rates as high as 9% that applies to just about everything from Social Security to IRA withdrawals and pensions, to today's laws, which is a much lower flat tax rate, and many sources of income are exempt from state taxes altogether. However, one source of income still leads to a lot of questions from Iowans, and that's capital gains. Whether you have short-term capital gains or long-term capital gains is all the same as far as Iowa is concerned. Capital gains are taxed at the state's income tax rate. So for those with large brokerage accounts and retirees in particular, this means you will still need to make estimated tax payments into Iowa to pay the taxes for your capital gains. This means that much of the long-term tax planning around capital gains happens at the federal level. On your federal return, long-term and short-term capital gains are treated very differently, and there are many different tax rates that might apply to the gains. But Iowa makes it simple, one flat rate regardless of the type of capital gain that you have. So if you're an investor and frequently find problems with your return because of capital gains, please reach out. We've helped hundreds of families reduce their tax liability as part of their retirement plan.